Magnum!
Tell louder. I want it.
Get it, Coda. Get
They
it.
like, they're like, what do I do? How do I drink this?
Get it, Coda.
It's like drinking air. How do I drink what I breathe?
Hey, don't go on the street. I'm missing a child.
Back there.
Oh, I'm like, I just heard a yell, so he's got to be somewhere close.
Go get your brother. Oh, never mind.
Here he comes.
That felt awesome. That was awesome. Don't do it again. I have my phone, so don't. Please.
Oh, you didn't see the new one?
He was just looking at it.
Alright, yeah.
I get over here earlier, and he's like, I'm like, what the hell are these people downstairs? Yeah, because the first one.
You never know. And with that one, really?
Yeah, I told him he's starting to remind me more and more of Adam. It's like having another Adam around.